Sir Nico Noriega. First, I will teach you how the liver blow is. First step, you must back your foot, your bare foot. And then, you will see the punching bag. You know that? And then, you must, yes. You will, just wait. And then you step in one step forward. Your leg is much lower than 10 centimeters. And then this is how the liver blow is. You must scrape your hands to the middle of the punching bag. You will see. This is called the liver blow. You see You see that?
Ano talaga sa Facebook mo?